Hello, so my name is Eric. I'm a member of the board of the Plone Foundation, and I'm also the guy in charge of the Google Summer of Code organization for the Plone community. So let me present you what we're going to do this year. First, a short introduction about what is GSOC. GSOC standing for Google Summer of Code. It's a program where Google is paying students during the summertime to contribute on open source projects. So the open source organization are meant to provide mentoring, and Google is just paying people to participate. So that's kind of nice. And regarding Plone and Google Summer of Code, it's a long history now because it started in 2006, so it's almost 20 years. And it has been very fruitful. It allows us to improve the software. It also, and probably that's more important, it brought us a lot of new contributor, and recruiting for a community is key, and it's super important. So I will let you discover what are our projects this year. We have a first one, which is kind of, standard, let's say, but always super useful. It's about implementing new Volto themes. So the idea there is to offer alternatives to the default Volto theme that people can use and maybe customize a bit, so that way they can start kind of rapidly to have their own website based on Plone and Volto. So that's one of the project we have. We have another one also for Volto, which is about implementing a workflow manager, because workflows are super important in a CMS, and the workflow feature of Plone is great, but Volto is not supporting the configuration management of the workflow right now, and that's the purpose of this project. And the last one, because we have three projects, is about Automatic. So it's a plugin which allow to manage authentication, but it's not up to date with the different host provider existing on the market right now. And the idea of this project is to update it so it's possible to use it with the last version of Plone. So that's three projects, but we have four mentors. So one of the mentors there will be a secondary mentor assisting. So the main mentors are Jens, Raphael, and Eric, and Tisha, candidate very recently to be a co-mentor. So that's really nice. So that's the people who are going to be mentoring students. We have plenty of proposal already. We are on the phase where students are submitting their proposal. By the end of April, we will have picked three of them, and then the coding phase will start, and I hope it's going to be a great success. Usually, most part of the time it's super successful. The students are invited at the Plone conference at the end of the year, and it's always great to meet them. It's always great to see what they've been doing with Plone. So it's a great thing to do. And I will finish with some thinking about why it is important we have Google Summer of Code, because it comes at a cost. It is some extra work that the community members are providing there in order to support the students, to review all the proposal and everything. And the question is why are we doing that, right? And it's simple. I was talking about that at the beginning of the talk. It allows us to bring new people to the community. Our community is, it's a bit aging, to be honest, and recruiting is not easy. Recruiting is key though, because we need people to discover Plone, learn Plone, and then start contributing. It's critical to any community, obviously. And I don't think that as a CMS community we are specifically like aging more than others. I don't think so. I think it's the same for all the different CMS communities, but still we don't have the magic recipe to find new people, and GSOC is a great opportunity for that. And I will mention one example. So I was talking about her just because she's mentoring this year, but Tisha, she was a student in GSOC 2023, so 2 years ago only. and as a student, obviously. And then after that, she started working with Kit Concept. So that's a great story. She was a student and then got recruited. She's now paid to be a Plone developer, and she's contributing to the open source project itself. And now this year, she's a mentor, right? So I love this story. I mean, it shows that we get very good things out of this program. So yeah, that's how I wanted to finish. I thank you for listening my talk, and obviously next year we will start again. And yeah, I mean, it's always a pleasure. Thank you.